Hi, darlings. You cannot imagine how simple and straightforward it is to have your homemade tiger nut milk. Let me teach you. You don't have to roast your coconut. I'm roasting mine because I want, in this particular recipe, I want the roastiness in the taste of the milk. And then I grated the coconut because I'm managing my blender, so I help it. Okay, your dates have to be soft enough to be pitted, and then carefully sort out the bad ones because imagine all the ones I had on my palm, they were bad. Okay, so I'm blending the coconut and the dates and then sieve the juice. Use it to blend my banana. All right. I'm using this cute cheesecloth. You can use whatever cheesecloth you have. Tiger nuts is universally considered a superfood. A rich, creamy, nutritious milk drink known in Nigeria as kunwaya. And then soft bananas, they have a way of adding to the creaminess of this drink. You don't want hard bananas that are not ripe and not overly soft, not rotten ones, just soft enough to produce some creaminess. You understand? I'm using a combination of homemade dry ginger and some fresh gingers. Okay, so the thing is, apart from the health benefits of the coconut, dates, banana, and ginger, they just add up layers of amazing flavors to this yummy drink. In preference, I would choose this recipe over the plain tiger nut drink, the plain one with no additions of any extra things, okay? If you have allergies with nuts, I think you're safe with this recipe because these are not really nuts. They are mini tubers. The video is too short. I'll make another video and tell you more things you need to know about the tiger nut. Okay. If you ask me, this drink is ideal for everyone. Ideal for Weight Watchers because it's high in fiber, keeps you feeling, full for the longest time, which means you're lowering your calorie intake automatically. It contains insoluble fiber, contains vitamin B, C, and E, contains proteins, contains iron, contains natural sugars, including magnesium, calcium, zinc, lots more. Now I've taught you how to make this creamy, nutritious plant-based milk. Are you still gonna go back to carbonated drinks? Excuse me? Why? This is me pleading with you all, my darlings. I know you're busy, okay? But then take out time and make these drinks. Make fruit juices, store them up in your refrigerators, and enjoy with your families. This is even very cost effective. All right. And this is homemade. The process has so much contact with your hand, so you're sure of your hygiene standards, all right, so that you know exactly what you're consuming. And then I think I should mention that when you're working on this thing, you have to look how creamy it looks, like milk. Can you see that? So when you're working on this recipe, you have to be really fast. If possible, when you're grinding or blending your tiger nut, use cold water, like chilled water. Preferably ice block because it gets sour really, really quick. So you have to be super fast in the process of making these, all right? Thank you. Look what we have. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Bye.